Bitpanda card app. The pros, the cons. The Bitpanda card app lets users spend their cryptocurrency instantly using a debit card linked to their Bitpanda account. Most people get this wrong by thinking crypto cards are complicated, but the surprising truth is that Bitpanda makes it simple and seamless for European users to convert crypto to euros for everyday spending. On the pros side, the app allows instant crypto to fiat conversion at the point of sale, supports multiple cryptocurrencies, and integrates directly with your Bitpanda account. Transactions are secured with strong encryption and two-factor authentication. Users can manage spending, view balances, and freeze the card from the app, making it very convenient. On the cons side, fees for certain transactions and foreign conversions can be higher than traditional debit cards. Not all merchants accept crypto directly, so spending is ultimately converted to fiat. Also, rewards are limited compared to some other crypto card programs. In conclusion, the Bitpanda card app is excellent for European users who want to spend crypto easily. Its security, convenience, and direct integration with the Bitpanda platform make it a practical choice, though users should be mindful of fees and reward limitations.